Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Thursday, so it's time for a rosette cake tutorial. Also today we'll be announcing our second giveaway. It will be for Mother's Day for a chocolate covered strawberry tower like. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, ring the bell, and drop the secret word that pops up in this tutorial in the comments below. I will be announcing the winner Saturday, March 16th at noon, live on my YouTube channel. Alright guys, let's get started on this tutorial. Okay guys, so what you'll need is a piping bag, the Wilton 1M piping tip, the buttercream, and your cake. I like to chill the cake for 30 minutes. I do what's called a crumb coat to seal everything in. So basically, you seal it in, pop it in the fridge, and while you're doing that, you cut the tip off of your piping bag. You place the tip inside, just like this, so it has half of the tip to grab onto. And then what I like to do, just to make it easier, is to fold this back, so that when I put the buttercream, it's less messy. So you'll want to pipe in your buttercream. Now, rosettes take a decent amount of buttercream, so you just want to make sure you put a lot in there. See, we're already making a mess. Just simply wipe that off. So then we're going to close it up real smooth. We're going to grab it and twist so that there's no air in there. Okay, so to start, you're going to start at the edge of the cake, and you're simply gonna press down like this. Press down really slightly, go up and around all the way, and as you're getting to the end, release the pressure and let go. So you're gonna give yourself a little bit of space. You're going to press down, just really little bit of pressure. Go up, around, and release. Just like that. All around the cake. So once you've gone all around your cake, so for this tutorial, I just did it just to show you guys, like this. So what you're going to do on the second lane is you're going to start in the middle. Same procedure. A little bit of pressure, up, around, and release. A little bit of pressure, up, around, and release. A little bit of pressure, up, around, and release. So you notice how there's empty spaces. What you want to do is you just want to pump a little bit and let it go. So down, around, release. Down, around, and release. Simply until you get all around your cake. It is that simple, guys. Now, if you basically your rosette cake. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you back here on Thursday for our buttercream tutorial. Also, join me live Saturday, March 16th for our second giveaway. Good luck, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next Thursday. Bye.